And finally, we're going to create some period objects in Pandas with the period constructor. There is no to period over here, as you can see. There's just the period constructor, and we'll just say year 2024, 03. So this is the entire month of March in 2023. You'll see in the output that it does have a unit, so months is the unit over here. And one of the attributes, and you can get attributes as normal like over here, but just to show you, each one of these has a start and stop time, right? It's a span of time. End time is the attribute. So it goes all the way from the very beginning of the month to the very end. We can create another period object here. So you can even create quarters. So say 2014 Q3. This is the third quarter. I need to do pd.period, of course. The third quarter of 2014, and we can see the start time and the end time. So it goes from July 1st to September 30th, the nanosecond right before October 1st. So all sorts of cool things you can do. You can have the entire year as a period or a specific minute as a period, and you just create it with this period constructor. All right, that's how you do it in Pandas.